How's it going, bros? My name is Dark Shuttler, and we're on another episode of How To. I'm back now. I'm back. I'm freaking back. Yeah, boys. I didn't thought I will hit 121 subs today, but make sure to subscribe now. Hit that subscribe button now. Hit that again. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that, man. Hit that. And we have our new logo for today. So let's do this. For the tutorial today, I'll be showing you how to put an OBB on an game with an APK OBB games like GTA Max Payne. Alright, so we have Max Payne over here. You have this, see this Max Payne, right? When you have this zip, just view, then copy that, then put on the OBB. Paste it over there. Alright, there's a password, okay? So I might pause for a little bit because I forgot the password. So okay, we have this. Alright, so just extract it over the OBB. Okay, so let's hide that for a little bit. So let's find our Max Payne APK. Wait, oh there is. Oh what the fuck? Oh my god. Wait a minute. Maybe the APK has just crashed a little bit. Alright, so we have this new APK, alright, guys. Remember, just extract the OBB. Oh my god. What the fuck? Okay. Okay. It's just wrong. Maybe they just updated the version of it. Alright. Maybe I got that wrong. Holy shit, man. Alright. I just get it the wrong APK, boys. Let's see. Eh, There's the instruction APK install in your device, then just like that, like I show you. Damn, not found request game Max Payne. What the? Maybe I get the wrong version of it. I'll restart it. Alright. So there you have there you have it. This is Max Payne. Alright, so let's go for a new game. There's a control. Alright, so let's get a new game. Alright, that's how you put the OBB. Alright, so I'll give you the greatest instruction. Holy motherfucker. My god. It's better than GTA. Alright, I'll give you the instruction wisely. First, you're gonna extract this to the Android and OBB. There. Then you're gonna install the APK. That's how you do it. You're gonna install the APK, then extract this to Android and OBB. For those who don't know how to use it. Alright, so thank you for watching this. I hope you subscribe, like this video. Alright, thanks for 121 subs. I hope you get 1000. I'm waiting for